Well, welcome everyone to Piedmont Triad International Airport. May K. Veeler here with Carolina Aircraft. Now you know we specialize in only the finest pre-owned, prime condition Beechcraft Barons and Bonanzas. So today I've got a 1997 A36 to show you. Let's take a look. So let's take a look at your engine. Teledyne Continental IO 550 300 horsepower engine, 925 hours since major overhaul, and we've got a gorgeous 3-blade Macaulay prop, only 55 hours on the prop since new. Well, we all know you can't beat the Bonanza A36 for traveling, be it with a family, for business, for pleasure. Plenty of fuel to get us where we need to go in comfort and ease, 74 gallons of usable fuel. This A36 has 2,540 hours total time since new. The paint, it's Matterhorn white overall with blue and platinum stripes in good condition. So here we have the big, large double cargo doors we love about the Bonanzas. So easy to load our passengers and our stuff. Useful load about 1,020 pounds. Now when it comes to the seating configuration, it's flexible. Everybody can sit in the club seating configuration like this, or if everybody wants to sit facing up front, we can move the seats around. And let's say we don't want to carry all the seats, we want to stow one, remove one. I don't need any tools. All I need to do is pick up on a bar, pull a pin, and we're good to go. So you want to check out the interior? Come on in. We've got tan leather seats, tan beige wool carpet, nice pewter sidewalls, executive writing desk. Love the G&D tinted window inserts, and we do have shoulder harnesses for all the passengers. Bonanza 51 Mike Lima has a wonderful avionics package, including a King KFC 150 Autopilot, flight director, slaved HSI, with altitude and vertical speed Preselect, Garmin 530 and 430, GPS navcoms, and a Garmin GPS 696 with Gizmo panel mount, with XM weather, Skywatch active traffic, Garmin 330 with traffic, and so much more. Features you will appreciate: factory air conditioning, dual flight controls, and co-pilot brakes, standby generator system, as well as standby instrument air system, standby attitude indicator, dual glide slopes, graphic engine monitor, digital fuel flow, and this A36, well, it's on schedule for a new GDL 88 install for ADS-B. And you should know, the Wing Spar AD does not apply to this particular Bonanza. This 1997 A36 is ready to fly you away. Now remember, she's got air conditioning and that wonderful avionics package. Also, the 3-blade prop only has 55 hours since new. Now Bonanza School, it's included in the price of the aircraft. Yeah, we want you to be safe and comfortable in your new A36. So feel free to shop online or come see us. We're at Piedmont Triad International Airport. We are Carolina Aircraft, and we welcome you. We want to help you find your next dream bird. For Carolina Aircraft, I'm May K. Veeler. Thank you so much for watching.